Okay, very good evening. Today we are going to discuss about what is the meaning of this GST. GST is nothing but goods and service tax. Okay, and actually it has come in replacing many other taxes. Okay, there was a system where the manufacturer needs to pay tax in each and every stage. Okay, it's not one or two stage. Different stages, different types of taxes has been paid by the people. So being the case, manufacturers, being the case, a single tax for both goods and services has been replaced. So it is actually a simple system. It is commonly for one country, one tax system. So here, no hidden rules, fully it is transparent. People, there is no hidden rule. Okay, actually it is been introduced in different, it has replaced actually 17 different taxes. Okay, there are actually 1.3 billion people are creating world largest unified market. So being the case, as a design thinking framework, okay, people must understand what GST is, why it is paid. So if at all they are paying GST, they should get the bill for that. Even it has claimed, they can claim back. So the government should empathize, understanding the stakeholders in GST. Okay, there are many small and medium size business organizations who pay GST. So it should not eat the prior cost of the product. So they should, and it should not burden the ultimate customer also. So there are different key points to be noted. It is not very easy aspect to calculate GST for different goods. So actually it is a real impact is that many small business spend large hours to calculate this GST. So more than that, even before this GST, they have many other, when they were calculating different other taxes, it was much more difficult situation. So we can other way say that it is a simplified in form of indirect taxation. So there is actually, there are too much of transparency. It has transparency is there, and it has very good economical impact also. It bridges the gap between various other situations. As we know that GST is very important. Digital filing is also mandatory in case of GST, not manual filing. Okay, there are the tax slabs are very simplified. As we say, it is simplified because the same rate of tax is paid for the same goods all over the country. So input tax credit has also been used here. Okay, so being developing GST implementation model is very common nowadays, and even a small right from the business who have very good turnover to very big organization, they follow the same terminology. So being the case, the average filing time is it's a very big challenge for any organization to file tax. The error rate is also more in while filing the GST. So people are supposed to empathize the situations, and they should know how to fix up the problems. We have some multiple choice questions. So what is the first step to of design thinking? That is actually, it is empathize. GST features help to avoid tax on tax. Yes, it is actually, it is that is called as input tax credit. What is the purpose of prototyping in GST? Test modules before full retains. Okay. So real-time examples, there are pre-GST is a very complex situation. Now after introduction of GST, the situation has become very easy. So they follow the same method all over the country, so it is easy for people to transform results, okay, and to identify situations. So with this I conclude my lecture on GST. Okay, so it's a simple terminology.